everyone. Thank you so much. Awa mo principal sponsors na padiri. Thank you so much, Nina, Nino, for staying. Thank you sa among family. Thank you so much for coming here. My family, Hansel's family, thank you so much. Hilap na ko. Friends in Cebu, friends ni Hansel, couple friends, friends na nako, yung pa si Tielana na murag na married na. Kaya mo storya magod si Hansel sa amuang relationship. Thank you, Ma'am Alayde Peñaranda Lopon. Special mention, the coordinator, our beloved, lovingly beautiful, patient, understanding, accommodating, tanan na. Coordinator, the bridal city, my gown is so. Mana ko. And the photographer, Joshua! Isang bagsak! Joshua, thank you so much sa mga advice ni mo, anang kamot. Ayaw ko job. To the videographer also, nasunod ko na yung gusto. So, thank you as in. Sa food, kami, thank you Waterfront. Bisan daily libre, thank you. Joke lang! Last but not the least, our handsome host. Sir Ian, thank you so much. Alam mo ba, ikaw ang winner sa tanan. As in, di mo lang alam. Di ba mga lady? I love you. Bitaw, thank you. Napabagalit na basta. Thank you so much for coming here. Friends, families, and our families, principal sponsor. Thank you, Ninang. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.
Mayong gabi sa tanan. It's so good to see nyo na wala ko'y dingog. No, so, daghang kayong salamat na natatanan nagtabog diri no. We try to really accommodate a lot of people in our lives, but these are the people that are dear to us and we feel that are very special, that have contributed to our relationship as a couple. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, my wife and my family. Thank you very much for coming to our beautiful wedding. To Mama Laide, I know kanang daghan kay mi o kanang mga request ni mo ma'am. Ya, kanang ma'am, murag kanang inaningan kanang ang imo lang ingon, Sir Groom, ako'y bahala. Shira. So, kana siya makapantita no, and we are very thankful that out of all the coordinators here in Cebu, no, God has find a way for us to lead to you. So we're very thankful. The decorations, the staff, thank you very much. Butan kayo kanang na-feel good na mo no, kanang way hustle. So Bridal City is the best choice. Daghan, like I said, daghan kayo jud. I mean, people here can testify no that the wedding was very beautiful. The suppliers, the video and the photos, very spectacular. And thank you very much. Ang video, daghan kayo kong mga worries at no. Ako kay medyo meticulous ako ang mga part kasi I know how to do it. But thankful me na na-achieve na po siya. The decoration, yes, it's a wow. Sige, Jude, mag-ingon, nindot. We can't really count how many nindot, especially looking at the videos, na nasunod ang akong gusto. So, for all the people na if you have relatives, friends, we really highly recommend Bridal City. So, very thankful. Dagan mi o ka ng host nga, but out of all of that, it was Sir Kian. It's meant to be. Again, God has made those reasons for you to find us and for us to find you. So thank you very much. Nalingaw lang mo kang Sir Kian, guys. So thank you very much. Of course, to our beautiful and handsome principal sponsors, Nino, Mina, thank you very much for spending your time with us. I know you're also happy to be here. We may not, communicate that very much, but we're very thankful for your time. My family, of course, ate, thank you, kuya, ate Selena. Ranay Bilin, salamat. Ate Cecil, thank you. Friends from Concentrics, thank you very much. Family ni Hazel, Ate Lorna, and Ate Alma from Manila, and also my friends. And this wedding would not be also as successful without the best and awesome active youth nga kanang groom squad o bride squad. So it wouldn't be successful as this without them. They made colors to our beautiful wedding. So and above all, of course, we wanna thank God for giving us this life and sharing this with you, with all of you. And we can't really thank you enough. So, daghang kaayong salamat. Alana from Mindanao pa. So, thank you very much for coming and all our friends. So, and of course, Papa, daghang salamat. Ayaw nalingaw ka. Daghang salamat pa ilang So, mga to, thank you kaayo and enjoy the night. All